tired of spending exorbitant amounts of money on tuition and doing endless practices, but still receiving bad results? Sick of putting in so much effort to see little or barely any improvement? Not to worry, you're not alone. This is now a common sight because students fail to fully understand what is being taught or what is required of them. Walking around the mall, searching on the internet, or waiting for fate to fly the right brochure into your hands. No, that's not the way. Here, let me give you some tips. At Math Academia, we are happy to provide quality learning experiences to help you discover your true potential. Having qualified tutors is crucial in helping you build a good understanding of a subject. Hiring a one-to-one home tutor with good qualifications is costly, and they may be uncommitted, as it is often their part-time job. Background checks on these tutors are also unverified, which leads us to the question, do they have a relevant degree? Are they genuine and reliable? At Math Academia, all of our tutors are NIE trained, with experience in teaching MOE schools, winning teaching awards or holding leadership positions in MOE. They have great track records and are highly dedicated to teaching students. With our smaller class sizes, the tutor is able to give more attention to each student and allocate time to clarify doubts that students may have. 4 times smaller the class size, 4 times more teachers' attention. We also provide round-the-clock support through various platforms, such as WhatsApp for you to ask questions. While grades are important, we also believe that social skills are crucial for a student to perform well. Here we encourage students to work together and speak out in class. Group discussions and interactive learning is prioritized, so that students can learn from each other's mistakes and become better. It is also essential for students to have a conducive learning environment to facilitate clear thinking and execution. With our spacious rooms, equipped with projectors, whiteboards, and personal tables, our students are comfortable and can learn effectively. Let us be the start of your journey to excellence, with a proud record of high distinction rates and 100% improvement across students. Math Academia is the right fit for your child. Come on down to our center and make us your partner in education.